4. Which group of horseshoes represent a prime number? The first thing you should do is underline prime, and then you should ask the question. A prime number is a number that has no factors other than 1 and itself. Okay, that means nothing multiplies with it, nothing factors into it, nothing divides into it except 1 and the number. So the opposite of that would be composite. The composite numbers are all numbers that multiply by themselves with 1 and they have another factor. So they have a group of 2 or more factors or pairs. So the first thing you do in this case is you identify what you have. You have to identify the numbers. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is 23. This one is 21. And this one is 14. Then you ask the question, 9. We already know that 9 times 1 is 9. 23 times 1 is 23. 21 times 1 is 21. 14 times 1 is 14. All of them multiply by 1. That's just normal stuff. In this case, you're asking which one has no factors. In other words, nothing else goes into it except for 1 and the number. So 9, you ask yourself in your head, what are the factors of 9? What will multiply together to give me 9? That's an obvious one. 3 times 3 is 9. That automatically has factors. The 9 times 1 and the 3 times 3. That has more than one factor, one pair of factors, so therefore that is a composite. Obvious, okay? Go to H, 21. In your head, you should be saying, what are the factors of 21? Well, gosh, you should know your 3's, your 3 fact families. 3 times 7 is 21. Therefore, that has another factor. It is not just 21 times 1. It's also 7 times 3, or 3 times 7. That is a composite. That is wrong. We're looking for prime. Go to J, 14. We should know our fact families for 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Therefore, it is a composite because 14 times 1, and you also have 7 times 2. You have 2 groups of fact families, or factors. The only obvious answer is G, 23. Nothing goes into 23. You can go through the line, go down the number line. We know that 23 times 1, and that's it. If we do 2, 2 does not divide into 23 because you have a remainder. 3 doesn't go into 23. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should go down the number line till you finally realize nothing goes into it because you have a remainder with everything. The answer is G.